If Samsung or Apple ever made an electric shaver, I imagine it would look something like this. A compact futuristic design, a transparent glass panel that lets you see the technology working, two high-speed linear motors, proper 3-blade shaving system, USB-C charging, and up to 100 minutes of battery life, all packed inside something small enough to sit besides my earbuds and the rest of my everyday tech. This is Laifen P3 and it's hands down the most amazing futuristic electric shaver that I have personally tried. Like, this is a proper electric shaver of 2026 replacing all my old electric shavers. So as a tech creator, I'm constantly filming either outside or inside. I have to be attending events, traveling, meeting people, all that stuff considered. I need to look fresh, which is why Laifen P3 is gonna help me achieve that freshness that I want. Unboxing wise, Laifen gives you the P3 shaver body, the removable 3-blade shaving head, a protective cap, the charging cable, and a non-slip pad and a dedicated travel pod. The travel pod in particular is a very useful inclusion because the entire idea behind the P3 is that you can take it with you anywhere. Instead of sitting in my bathroom eating dust, this stays in this nice comfortable travel pod as a part of my everyday carry in my bag. And because it uses Type-C, I don't have to pack any extra chargers or any other cables that I used to pack for all the other older electric shavers. I just use my Type-C charger for my phone and charge this easily. Like, this feature alone has been a game changer. I also like the protective cap, which comes on and off very easily. This is really important to cover the shaving foil. And it also makes sure that it stays clean. Let's take a look at the design. So this is undoubtedly the first thing that really separates the Laifen P3 from all the other electric shavers. The body is constructed from a glass fiber reinforced composite, which helps it feel solid while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. You also have this smooth monocoat finish running across the body, giving the entire product a clean and seamless appearance. And the standard thing is a 2.5D tempered glass panel up front, which is a curved panel by the way. Instead of completely hiding everything underneath, a part of the internal motor assembly remains visible, which I think looks pretty cool. The biggest practical design advantage, however, is the size. The P3 is barely larger than a wireless earbuds case. It fits easily inside my palm and takes almost no space on my studio desk or inside my bag. Like, it is so easy to carry with me in my backpack. And surprisingly, despite its compact body, the P3 still gives you a full 3-blade shaving system. This allows Laifen P3 to pretty much handle every type of facial hair. The shaving foil itself is just 0.055mm thick. The benefit of having a thinner foil is that it allows the cutting blade underneath to get extremely close to your skin while still keeping the moving metal blades physically separated from your face. Laifen calls this its arc blade structure. The P3 has a noticeably curved foil, giving it a maximum shaving angle of around 146.2 degrees. Your jawline, chin, neck, all those areas are properly covered. Now the tech doesn't stop there because underneath the 3 blades, the P3 uses 2 independent high-speed linear motors. Together, this system provides up to a whopping 24,000 cutting movements per minute. It also has dual shock absorption system, which is why even with these 2 motors moving inside, I actually don't feel them moving at all. Now, how does this feel on my face? Well, compared to my experience with the older shaver, I always had issues shaving around my neck area, but thanks to Laifen P3 and its intense cutting system, it's been able to handle that for me without any problem. So this is how everything looked before using the Laifen P3. Again, I'm not the most hairy dude, so cut me a slack. As soon as I started using the Laifen P3, first thing I realized is that I do not need to do dozens of tiny movements just to clear one area. Like, I was able to comfortably clean them with just one motion. Using P3 feels powerful, but at the same time, it does not feel aggressive against my skin. If I have to compare the shaving experience to the other products, for me personally, like I said, the neck area has always been the most difficult. This is where Laifen P3 really makes a big difference. So after the end of it, my face looks clean and very smooth. The jawline is more defined and the neck looks considerably sharper. Not only it was very easy to shave around the difficult areas, I also really liked handling this form factor and design. I've never really tested anything like this in my life when it comes to electric shavers are concerned. Like, this shape is genuinely really unique. Once the shave is complete, cleaning the P3 is very straightforward. The shaver is rated for IPX7 water resistance, so it can safely handle water around a sink and can be rinsed after use. As for the battery life, the P3 provides up to 100 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Since most individual shaves only take a few minutes, that should cover multiple weeks of regular use for most people. And in case you're out of battery and you have to shave very quickly, there's also a 3-minute quick charge feature. With that, you should have enough power to complete a full shaving session. And on top of everything, the one feature that will make the biggest difference is the USB-C charging. I already carry a USB-C charger for my phone, laptop, power bank, camera equipment, pretty much everything that I take with me on my backpack. So using that on my electric shaver really saves me from those annoying older adapters that you have to carry around and then you lose them, then you have to buy a new one. Considering just this and also overall the product and its prestige and how it was able to help me be efficient with my shaves, this is 100% going to be my fully daily user product. Other than filming videos or going out, I also travel quite a bit, so this saves a lot of time where I can just keep this in my bag, get a quick shave anywhere I want. Speaking of traveling, it also includes a dedicated travel lock mode, so once that lock is activated, it prevents the P3 from accidentally powering on while inside a backpack. But in my usage, I put this into its own travel pod, so that keeps it clean and organized. I don't actually have to do anything. Is really, really good. Now, considering if you've watched the whole video, you realize this is a premium product. This product does stand out compared to other options we have on the market, which is why it does have a premium price. With my honest experience with this and the type of impact this product has made in my life, I gotta say this is actually worth spending the extra money. From its standout unique design to its proper 3-blade shaving system, dual motors, arc blade design, 100 minutes of battery life, USB-C charging, easy to carry around. There's a reason why they say it's the shaver you actually carry, because come to think of it, I've actually never carried any of my older electric shaver in my backpack. Like, I've kept it in my toiletries bag, but never with me as a daily accessory. Laifen P3 officially launches on August 3rd with a price of $189.99. Be sure to check it out by using the links below in the description. I've got the official Laifen link as well as the Amazon link as well. And most importantly, let me know what you think of the Laifen P3 in the comments below. As always, subscribe for more tech videos like this. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.